All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are working on 3.29, which is our 29th lesson of this unit. And you'll notice we're dividing much larger numbers this time around. So I'm just going to show you the process and then let you move on. What I have here is I have 1,672 divided by 4. And I also put out the place value chart. I really want you guys to see what it looks like when I go ahead and put a 0 in here and throw you for a loop. If I have 1,600, 7 tens, and 2 ones, if I say to myself, I have 1,000, and I want to break it into 4 groups. So if I have 4 groups, I cannot share that 1 in here. It doesn't work. That 1 does not get shared, period. So if I can't share it, I have to unbundle it right away, which makes it a big fat hairy, you guessed it, 0. Because I couldn't share it at all. Because 4 times no thousands are going to get me close to 1. If I even put a 1 here, 4 times 1 is 4. I can't do 1 minus 4. It's not going to work. All right, I'm going to get rid of this now. So I'm still going to go through the motions. 0 times 4 is 0. I'm going to subtract. That 1,000 unbundles into 10 hundreds. So now I have 16 hundredths. Oh, did I give you time to write this down? Probably not. Go ahead and make sure you get this down. So now I have a new number. I have 16 hundredths. Can I divide that into 4 groups? Well, the answer is yeah. How many hundreds does it take? Well, it takes 4. 4 hundredths times 4 groups is 16 hundredths. If I subtract them, I have 0. I have to bring down that 7. Now I have 7 tens. How many tens times 4 groups? Well, 1, because 2 times 4 gives me 8. So 1 10 times 4 groups gives me 4 tens that I used. 3 left. You'll notice how I'm writing small, because I have a lot of steps here. Again, if you write sloppy, you are sunk. You have to write neatly. Bring down that 2. I now have 32 ones. Well, in my brain, I say, oh, I know 4 times 8 is 32. So 8 ones times 4 groups is 32 ones. My answer is 418. So when I multiply this out, I just multiply it at 418 as my quotient times 4 groups. 4 times 8 is 32. Oh my gosh, look, that's right there. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 more is 7. Oh my gosh, that's right there. 4 times 4 is 16. Oh my gosh, that's right there. Look at that. Every little part was in here. And that is the same. All right, go ahead and erase. I'm going to show you one more, just so you can practice. Imagine it's 2,000. Whoa. Imagine it's 2,464 divided by 4. We are going to have the same problem. Go ahead and write this down. We have the same issue. Our issue is I have 2 discs and I want to put them into 4 groups. How many thousands can I multiply by 4 to get close to 2? Well, it's going to be a big fat hairy 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 thousandths times 4 groups. So I still have 2 thousands. Unbundle that, and you have 200 hundredths. That doesn't sound right. You have 20 hundredths. That sounds better. Now I have 24 hundredths. Hope some of you said, what the heck is she talking about? 24 hundredths broken into 4 groups. Well, how many hundreds times 4 groups do I need? Well, I need 6. 600 times 4 is 24 hundredths, and that's the hundredths place. Again, you must have a digit above every single place. Bring down the 6. I have 6 tens going into 4 groups. How many tens times 4 can I get? Only 1. 1 times 4 is 4. I subtract it, I have 2 10s left. Unbundle, and I have 21s plus the 4 I already had. 24 ones. We already did 24, so we know it is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So I take my quotient, multiply it by my groups, and I say 4 times 6 is 24. Oh my gosh, 24. 4 times 110 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Oh my gosh, 6 10s. 4 times 6 hundreds is 24 hundreds. Oh my gosh, 24 hundreds. You get what I'm saying? They're the same. All right, you need to grab your problem set. There are word problems on here. Please make sure you get to the word problem on the problem set. Otherwise, that will be homework as well. So you might want to start with it. All right, good luck.